Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This email is a good example of how you can write clearly and politely when addressing a customer service problem. Remember, you can pause the video now if you need more time to read the full answer. The writer covers all 3 bullet points exactly as instructed. For example, the email clearly provides details about your order, such as the order number and date of purchase. It also explains the exact issue, stating clearly that the front wheel was damaged. Finally, the writer requests a solution by politely asking for a replacement wheel or exchange. The organization of this email is very clear and easy to follow. It starts with a polite greeting, then clearly states the purpose in the first sentence. Each problem is explained in its own paragraph, helping the reader follow along easily. The tone is formal but friendly, suitable for speaking to customer support, linking words like firstly, unfortunately, and, more importantly, help connect ideas smoothly. Additionally, the writer uses 2 stretch words, inconvenient and appreciated, which slightly raise the language level, making the email sound more professional. For beginners, remember to always include important details like order numbers and dates. This makes it easier for customer support to quickly solve your problem. Also, use clear paragraphs and polite language so your email is easy to read and understand. Practicing writing simple, clear emails will greatly improve your communication skills and help you succeed on the CELPIP exam. Let's see why this response would get a high score. If you need more time to read, you can pause the video now. This answer clearly states the choice at the beginning, selecting option A, building a public swimming pool. The writer gives two strong reasons for this preference. Firstly, the writer explains swimming is good exercise for people of all ages, highlighting health benefits. Secondly, the writer emphasizes how a pool can bring our community closer together, providing practical examples like events and lessons. The organization is very clear, with an introduction stating the choice, 2 paragraphs clearly explaining each reason, and a concise conclusion summarizing key points. The tone is semi-formal, suitable for this kind of community survey. Linking words such as firstly, secondly, and in conclusion help organize ideas smoothly, making the answer easy to follow. The writer also effectively uses 2 stretch words, significantly and encouraging, which help make the writing sound more professional. One practical tip for beginners is to clearly separate your reasons into short paragraphs. Each paragraph should contain one clear idea with an example or explanation. This will help the reader understand your points easily and will improve your writing score on the CELPIP exam. Now let's discuss why this response would score well. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time to read the full answer. This answer clearly chooses option B, building a fitness center, and provides 2 well-supported reasons. Firstly, the writer highlights the various exercise choices, explaining clearly that a fitness center can serve many different people. Secondly, the writer mentions how the facility helps residents maintain good health, giving practical examples like preventing obesity and heart disease. The structure of the answer is logical and clear. It begins with a straightforward introduction, then presents 2 separate paragraphs, each addressing one main reason. A clear conclusion summarizes the benefits, reinforcing the choice made. The semi-formal tone matches the survey's purpose and keeps the writing appropriate for a community audience. Useful linking words like firstly, secondly, and in conclusion guide the reader easily through the text. Additionally, 2 well-chosen stretch words, variety and enhance, make the writing sound stronger and more professional without making it difficult to understand. For beginners, a helpful tip is to use simple linking words to clearly separate your ideas. Words like firstly, secondly, and also help your reader understand your points and follow your argument easily. Practicing clear and structured paragraphs like these will help you confidently write strong survey responses in your CELPIP exam.